Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back. Thanks for being here. Today we're gonna watch another horror movie. I know we watched a lot, but come on now, it's October. I'll be doing other videos on different movies, different shows out of the genre, but I'm just in the mood for them, you know? Well, anyways, we're gonna be watching In a Violent Nature. I don't know too much about this. I believe it's like a slasher or something like that, but I think there's a monster, so maybe like Jeepers Creepers. But it's supposed to be pretty violent and gory. So if that's not your jam, it's probably not the one for you. Hopefully this makes it to YouTube. Well, anyways, let's jump right in.
I don't know. This whole place freaks me out.
Well, we are in the middle of a graveyard after all.
Oh, don't start with your crap, Aaron.
Well, you guys never heard of the White Pine Slaughter?
The what?
The White Pine Slaughter.
The White Pine Swatter. That's way too close to the hash slinging slasher. Already off to a bad start.
Aaron, we're not in the mood for your shit today. Fine. Whatever, I'm leaving.
Yeah, Aaron, fuck you.
Yeah, seriously though, he's right. We should probably get back.
Nice place you got here. This is a really long opening and reveal. Guy looks just like Jason Voorhees for real. The flannel, the bald head. Is that what they were going for, you think? Something tells me that's not the best way to handle this situation with him.
Jesus Christ, man. I know patience.
It's probably gonna go well. Wouldn't worry about it.
I think that's what I was just trying to do. I told you what would happen the next time I found one of your fucking animal traps in that park. I've never seen those before in my life. When you first moved here, I said, I'm gonna be neighborly. Give you the benefit of the doubt. But you were fucking testing me, boy.
Yeah, boy.
That park. But one of these days, you're gonna find something that's gonna walk right through your traps. And trust me, you don't want to find that animal. It's a threat.
You threatening me?
I think he's threatening you.
Stay out of the park. I know my rights, Ranger. You step one foot on this property again, and all my rivalry will blow you a kiss goodbye. Now you're good for it, soft cock motherfucker.
I did not expect him to not go kill that dude. Is he gonna leave him in the house and let him live? I knew it was too good to be true. He's gonna go find him. At least he's got a gun. I mean, pretty good.
This was your mother's, John. I want you to have it. That way it will always be with you, no matter what happens. You'll always be our little boy, John.
Is this like this guy's childhood home or something? And he's just having memories of it?
Son of a bitch, Mortimer. I told you what would happen if you came back here. You're gonna make me fucking do this. You stupid son of... What the fuck? Jesus!
Oh, fuck. Man.
What do you want? Say something! I didn't do anything to you!
I don't think he's trying to talk, buddy. Just get the fuck out of there. Why would he run to the woods instead of the road right next to him? He deserves to die at that point. Darwin Award. He's gonna be stuck in his own trap, isn't he? The irony.
What do you want?
Number one motherfucker. Yeehaw.
Get away from me! I didn't do anything to you! No!
It happened at Town Line Storage at approximately 2:15 pieces of
What the fuck? Why is he all oozy and shit?
stored at that facility from Portlock General Hospital. Anyone with information on this
Did he rip dude's eyes and arm off? To this point, this has been like a walking simulator. This is crazy.
Babe, what, are you hiding a wedding ring somewhere or something?
Yes. It's beyond visit.
Wow. My boyfriend, ladies and gentlemen. I can't help but think that's his actual wedding proposal.
Nothing but the best of my girl.
So put that dude's both of their hair for real. What year is this supposed to be?
The ring is on your dick? As in your dick is the size of Chris's finger?
Yeah, like sometimes it gets that big.
Roasted him.
Roasted.
This dude seems like the type that's gonna get his feelings super hurt.
Yeah, my girl's pretty funny. Isn't she, Cole? You're a lucky man, Troy.
Are these people friends? Like, that does not seem like they like each other at all. Hey.
Please deliver on here. You told me the whole thing. All the locals know about it, but they'll never talk about it.
Come on then, soft serve. What's the story?
My uncle said it all started with this slow kid named Johnny.
A slow kid? What does that mean?
Yeah. Slow.
So what, the kid didn't win a race and then a slaughter happened? I don't get it.
He was mentally hindered.
No. Hindered doesn't sound right. It sounds like there's another word.
Oh, so you're gonna cancel me. Cool.
Okay, cancel culture doesn't exist, you fucking ableist.
Cancel culture does exist because I'm canceling story time, you fucks.
Oh my god.
Well played, Aaron.
You guys really want to hear it?
Come on, tell me the fucking story.
Are you
He's
sure?
got the headphones.
Let's fucking story.
Alright.
He's got the headphones and he looks the part. A mentally hindered person is what I mean.
Johnny's dad was the guy that ran these stores, and they hated him for it. And they used to take out their anger on Johnny. It all came to a head one day when one of the drunk loggers tripped and broke his ankle on one of Johnny's toy cars. He was out of work for months. They told Johnny they found a bag of toys, and that he should meet them at the old fire tower. So Johnny snuck out camp at night. And eager and keen and naive as he was, he climbed up the top of the tower, but there were no toys. Just one of the men in a creepy old firefighter's mask waiting to scare him. And he did. Johnny fell from the tower. His neck snapped as soon as it hit the ground. And the men freaked out, so they put one of the firefighter masks on him to make it look like he was playing up there by himself, and tripped and fell. But when Johnny's dad found the body a day later, he knew those guys had something to do with it. So he confronted them in the mess hall and a fight broke out, and when the dust settled, Johnny's dad was dead.
A dead father and son ain't really much of a slaughter, Aaron.
That's exactly what I was just thinking. I was about to say the same thing.
A couple of the execs from the company showed up to the camp, and every single person was dead. Huge fucking lumberjacks torn to pieces. After a healthy donation from the company, they paid off the widows, closed up shop, and the police ruled it as a poisoning from tainted meat.
Good story. Good goddamn story. I was on the edge of my seat the entire time. My nails, they're bitten to shreds.
Fuck off, it was a good story. All true, too. Swear my uncle.
Fuck your uncle, he's a pedo.
Yeah, fuck your uncle. What the fuck? Y'all seen that video? You got a problem with me? Come kill my uncle about it.
Any of you bitch ass niggas that got a problem with me, come kill my uncle about it, pussy.
You guys want to hear about the park rangers that died here 10 years ago?
I think we're good for tonight.
Hey, Brody was the one asking for it.
No, you know what? The bugs are getting bad. I think we should go in.
Sounds good to me.
Oi, wait.
Nope, going inside.
No, I need everyone.
How long is it going to take for you to realize there's no reception out here? Are you fucking slow?
Okay, fuck off. The lighting here is truly amazing, so I need everyone to come
Over there.
behind me. Over here, Evan, get out. Remind you guys?
Yeah, we know you won't shut the fuck up about it.
What a waste of beer. The fuck did he grab? What is that, like a hacksaw?
Me.
Yeah.
What about you?
What about me?
Holding up your finger and shit.
Yeah, as a joke. And everyone was laughing.
I told you he was gonna be in his feelings about that joke. You told my friends I have a baby dick. Shut the fuck up, dude.
Already made me invite your fucked up girlfriend.
I told you he's just going through something.
I don't fucking care. He's bringing everyone down.
Wow. Real nice, Troy.
They seem happy together. I'm happy for him.
Just a dog.
Wait, are you going to meet up with those gas station girls?
It's like a 4-hour walk away. Are you kidding?
No, but it's a yes or no question.
How desperate do you think I am?
I think you're you.
I'm gonna go take a shit. Is that alright with you?
Right, okay, but when you get there, make sure you show them your really cool cassette player because they'll think you're from the future. Aaron's going to meet those gas station girls.
She's the only one that seems like any fun here.
Guys, I'm gonna go take a shit.
Yeah, sure.
Right.
No, I'm just a little gas station girl, Aaron. Can you please fill me up?
Me too, Aaron. I'm just a little gas station girl and I need to fill up really bad, but I don't know how.
Oh man.
I'll
Fill me up, Aaron. Fill me up, Aaron. Oh my god.
Hey, you want to see a cool spider?
Hope they tell him to top it off when they get back.
It's weird, but cool. I found it.
Is it big and hairy?
It's bigger than Troy's dick.
Fuck, anything's
I wonder if they're gonna make Troy's dick a ongoing joke the entire movie. Such a horror movie thing. Girls don't just get shirtless and walk around their rooms when they have a whole house full of people with them. Just doesn't happen. But in every horror movie it does. Oh, shit. Fuck. Well, where is he taking that? What are you gonna do with that, buddy? You gonna give him back to his friends? He is carrying that whole ass body though, like it's nothing. I wonder how many tries it took for them to get the take where he actually landed the head upright. Or if they weighted it down or something to make it easier. Yeah, just put that anywhere. That's definitely one way to do it. That mask is fucked up. Is that really what they used to wear back in the day? Till they got modern fire equipment? That thing's huge. Is he about to go take a swim with him?
What? Really? Yeah, really. You want to make a move? Make a move. Just don't waste my time with this high school bullshit.
Well, that's good news because I hated high school. Here's my move.
Take it easy there, Tiger. I'm gonna go to the lookout to stretch myself out a little bit. Why don't you come find me when you're done your swim and maybe you can stretch me out a little more?
I'd be salty if she threw my clothes in. That's the whole reason I took them off. I forgot. Old boy's just down there, swimming. She's probably gonna go under from a far distance. I feel like her friend would have definitely heard that and came back, right? So is this guy like undead? Because he's been under the water for like 5 to 10 minutes straight. So I'm guessing he's like he's already dead, so he can't die again. He doesn't need to breathe and whatnot. That's what it seems like, at least. Just go about his business like nothing happened. Business as usual. She said she was going to the lookout. I thought she was going to be on like a watchtower or something. I don't know why. There's no way you don't see or hear his big ass walking up to you. Come on now. That motherfucker is thumping.
I was wondering when you were finally gonna show. You sure took your time, though.
Oh, she thought shit was sweet. Oh, man. If you don't jump, you better just jump and slide down. It's better chance than this guy. You fucking idiot. Now you're going down the hill anyway. Might as well just jumped and risked it. Jesus. God damn, bro. Jesus Christ. It's not much, but it's honest work.
Let's just go to the cops and file a police report or something.
Yeah, Troy.
We're not going anywhere. Fine. Give me the keys.
Fuck Troy.
Yeah, you want these? Go fucking get it. What's your problem?
Seriously?
Oh my god.
Yeah. Yeah,
His helmet kind of reminds me of like a pigeon or something. Big ass bird head. Big bird.
No, don't touch me.
What a handsome boy.
What fucking guy? It was just a shitty photo. Dirt on the fucking lens or something.
No, it wasn't dirt, and you know it.
Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Whoever played the killer, that guy is fucking huge.
I'm sorry Colt's dead dad fucked him up. But he doesn't get to kill my whole fucking weekend too.
What the fuck did you just say?
What are you gonna do with that? You love birds, be careful.
Fuck you, Troy.
These people just keep separating. Like one by one. They're not even spending their trip together. And all they've done is complain to each other or about each other the entire movie. I'm not convinced they're friends at all. They met at a rest stop. I wasn't very mentally hindered of him. It's a big brain move.
Hey, tough guy! Wanna actually do something? Just keep fucking with me and running off like the old chicken shit I know you are!
I was definitely a guy. I don't know if that's one of the other people or that was like a fucking camera guy.
What the fuck is this? God.
There you go. I don't think it's gonna kill him, but there you go.
You okay?
Did you get him?
Yeah, I got him.
Fuck, man!
The fuck is that?
Come on, let's go.
That dude's a real one. No hesitation on that. That's a pretty cool angle, honestly. He must have killed the dude in blue with it. Why wouldn't he grab the gun instead of crawl away? It is what it is. He had no fight. He didn't even try to kick him or anything. He just let this happen to himself.
Please, help!
Okay. Oh my god.
So he confronted them in the mess hall in a fight.
At least it was quick. I don't know about painless, but
Troy! Evan!
these people are so oblivious, bro. Like, holy shit.
I think it's blood.
Chris, go! Come on! Hurry!
Go, go, go! Go, go, go!
It's a nice shot, but whole lot of walking.
What? Are you listening?
Where did you get that necklace?
What? Listen to us!
Where did you get that necklace? In the old fire tower. Know what you just
They're always arguing with each other. I don't think they've had fun with each other one time this entire movie. And I promise it's about to get a lot less fun. What's less fun than no fun?
coming for all of us. We have
There he is.
Why are they just standing there? You said there he is, you see him, you're just standing there. Give him the fucking necklace and leave.
I remember you. And I remember what you did 10 years ago. Put you in the ground floor. And I'll do it again! You know, I never believed him when he told me the stories. And then Johnny got up 10 years later. And he killed the people that I cared about. So I did what my dad did. And I put him in the ground. This time I'll make sure he stays there. Hurry up!
Why is he walking up on him like that so he can grab his ankle?
Okay. Take the chains. Put them there. Okay. Now on the count of 3, I'm gonna pass this gun to you, okay?
Just start the countdown so he knows when the gun's gonna be out of your guys' hand. The dumbest shit I've ever heard.
Get out of here now!
Who's hurt? Who saw that coming?
Forget about it. Let's go. Come on. Take this.
Why is he just laying there? All he do is squeeze your hand. What did he just do? Is he gonna let him live? There ain't no way, right? Ain't no way. Is this gonna be a fucking wood chipper? That dude would definitely be dead already. That's on the left side. It's in his heart. Why wouldn't they just use... That's got to be an old-ass machine. Why wouldn't they just put a saw blade there? Instead of a giant fucking wedge. Damn, he really doesn't like this guy, does he? He's about to torture. Didn't even put his whole body on it, just gonna get his arm. How is he still awake and alive? Well then. I'm not gonna lie, even that kill was slow and boring and super anticlimactic. And we're back to more walking.
Wait, where are you going? I've got to distract him.
Bro. Are they trying to be funny? Or like...
Come on, you ugly son of a bitch! We're right!
Oh my god. Oh fuck, man. God damn. That was a good plan, bud. She's had so much time to make a move on this dude when he's not looking. Set him on fire, you have gas. Like, just watching him hack your friend up. Jesus, dude. I think you got him, bro. God damn. This is real time how slow she's moving. And how long this scene is drug out for. That was like 5 minutes straight of her just moving slow. And you hear him in the background smacking her, that dude with the axe. That was at least 5 minutes. That's crazy. How the fuck did you do that? All I saw was you walking. I didn't see you fall or anything. I didn't edit it out either. That they just didn't show you how that happened. Just cut to her like that.
You okay? Okay, yeah. You're okay? You need a hand? No. All right, just take it as best you can. We'll get you to the hospital real quick. You're all right. Let's let you go. Sweetie. Hey, honey. Can you look at me? You gotta answer me when I talk to you, okay? Just so I know you're with me. Sorry.
Roger that.
Just tired. You were, limping up the road back there.
Yeah, you didn't see the giant fucking hole in her leg? Why is she being so, like, defensive to her? She got out all nice trying to help her, and then as soon as she gets in the car, she starts fucking interrogating her.
Can you, tell me what happened to you back there?
Was an animal.
Jesus. Jesus, what kind of animal?
She, like... Are they setting this up to make another one of these? Like, he said there was one survivor. Is she gonna be the one survivor? They're gonna try to make a second one of these when she's older?
Sweetie, come on. Come on, let's wake up.
Why are you stopping? Why barely stopped.
I'm sorry, sweetie. I gotta do something and try to get that leg to slow down the bleeding.
Yeah, okay, take me to the hospital. Let's go to the hospital, okay? Oh, please, please, please.
Honey,
please.
I know you're scared. And you went through something out there, and I don't pretend to know what it was. But I have got to stop the bleeding in your leg.
Okay.
So get it going. Go. Just do it. Stop explaining.
Sorry.
Man. Just got done watching A Violent Nature. And I'm gonna be honest, I really wanted to like that movie. I really wanted it to be good. But it was just so bad. So bad. I went back and looked. The last 20 minutes of the movie alone are just them driving, and you get a story that doesn't even matter to the movie at all. There's no payoff. And it's just them driving. I think there was at least, I'd say about 45 minutes to an hour of just walking or staring at things or still frames. And the acting was bad, the writing was bad. The kills weren't even fun. I don't even know if I'm going to post this video, to be honest. I don't know if I want to put you guys through it. If I do end up posting it, though, let me know if you guys, in the future, if you guys want me to post videos even when the movie's bad and I didn't like it, or if I should just keep those to myself and only post ones that are any good. Or do you guys like me being honest about it? Well, thanks guys for watching. I appreciate you being here. We'll have a lot of good stuff up on this channel. Have the night you deserve.